Chinese New Year is the most predictable disruption in the China supply chain. And yet, every year, thousands of buyers act surprised when production stops. If you source from China, you need to understand how this period actually works so you don't panic or make expensive problems. First, understand the shutdown is real. Most factories close for at least 2 weeks, but the real impact is bigger than that. Production usually slows down 4 to 6 weeks before the holiday because workers start leaving early. After the holiday, not everyone comes back immediately. That means delays can stretch 4 to 8 weeks in total. Second, understand the pre-holiday rush. Factories are overloaded before Chinese New Year. Suppliers prioritize repeat customers and large orders. If you place a small last-minute order during this period, you are not at the top of their list. Third, expect communication to slow down. Sales reps travel home too. Response times get longer. That does not automatically mean your supplier is disappearing, but vague answers, changing timelines, or inconsistent updates should still be clarified in writing. Fourth, be careful with payments. Do not rush final balance payments just because production is almost done before the holiday. Inspection should still happen after full production is complete. If production pauses midway due to the holiday, timelines need to be adjusted, not ignored. Fifth, expect shipping congestion. Ports and freight forwarders experience heavy volume before and after the holiday. Rates can increase, transit times can stretch. This is not unusual, it is seasonal. Now, here is what professional buyers do differently. They plan at least 60 to 90 days ahead of Chinese New Year. They increase inventory before Q1. They confirm production slots early, and they build buffer time into their timelines instead of hoping everything goes perfectly. The biggest mistake buyers make during Chinese New Year is reacting emotionally. They assume silence means fraud. They pressure suppliers for unrealistic delivery, or they rush decisions just to get it done before the shutdown. Chinese New Year is not a surprise. It happens every year. The buyers who lose money are usually the ones who fail to adjust their planning. If you are sourcing right now during the holiday period, focus on clarity. Confirm production status. Get revised timelines in writing. Confirm worker return dates. And prepare for post-holiday backlog. If you're planning for next year, the lesson is simple. Do not treat Chinese New Year like an interruption. Treat it like a fixed part of your sourcing calendar. China sourcing is not about speed, it is about timing and control. If you want daily, practical China sourcing how-to videos that help you plan around disruptions like this, follow Sourcing X Pro. We break down the process so you don't have to learn the hard way.